Hello, Georgie here from Blue Anchor Leisure. Hope everybody's really good. Today we're going to take a look around the Willerby Vacation. So this one has just arrived over the weekend. It is a 2014 model, really spacious. It's central heated and double glazed with 3 bedrooms and sleeping 8 people. There's lots of storage and lots of space in this holiday home, guys. It's priced at £24,995. We do have finance options available with a 25% cash deposit. It's available to be sited on any of our holiday parks. It is ideal for letting options or for larger families. There are a few things to consider when looking into ownership. That's why we're here, to help give you all the information needed. The park and pitch is just as important as the caravan itself. If you are interested in holiday home ownership, please do like and subscribe to my pages. You will be the first to see any new or pre-owned holiday homes that come onto our stock. And if you're interested in this particular one or any of our 100 we have available, please do give me a call as I can help you with anything within our range. I hope you liked the video. Have a lovely day, guys, and we'll speak soon. Thanks for watching.